haru, haru. What does it mean? If you've noticed, the word haru is repeated. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word haru. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 164. Haru. Haru. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ha, the second syllable is ru. Pronounce it with me. Haru. Haru. The word haru is simply the Korean noun for a day. Again, this is used to indicate a day in Korean. How do we write haru in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable ha in Hangul, we need to draw first a hi character, followed by an a character. For the second syllable ru, we need to draw first a real character, followed by an u character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word haru. Now that we have an idea about our word for today, let's try to look into this example English phrase. It says, day by day. Again, day by day. The Korean translation of this phrase is haru haru. Again, it's haru haru. Our word for today is haru, and we already know that it means day. However, when we say haru haru, or when we repeat it 2 times, it would result to a phrase that means day by day. Again, haru is day, haru haru is day by day. Now, looking back to this, which is shown at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase haru haru is simply day by day. And with that, you've just learned haru. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 154 to 163. But don't forget our word for today, haru, which means day. The first word for our review is word number 163, pabo. This is an adjective which means dumb or full. Word number 162 is byol, and this is the Korean noun for a star. Word number 161 is yaksok, and this is the Korean noun for promise. Word number 160 is 영원히. This is an adverb of time which means forever. Word number 159 is Hajima, and this is the counterpart of but in English, which is used as a conjunction. Word number 158 is kuriko, and this is the counterpart of and or and then, which is used as conjunction in English. Word number 157 is 맞아요, and this is used to say or express that that's right. Word number 156 is nun, and this is the Korean noun for an eye. Word number 155 is 안 좋아요, and this is used to say I don't like it or it's not good. And the last for our review is word number 154, 좋아요, and this is used to say I like it or it's good. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.